The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Life happens and you may have to start over. I'm James Callahan, and the DoOver Show is your resource for tips and tutorials, hacks and how-tos to help guide your own do-over. If you think it's too late, or everything was going great and then boom, it all fell apart, life, money, faith, or if you don't think you have time or the skills for a successful do-over, the DoOver Show is your answer. Because it's not too late. It might not be easy, but it's not too late for you. I've been there, just like you. And I'm here to show you how. I'm a Ph.D. who was a high school dropout. Yep, I've been fired, downsized, and blown up investment accounts, and I've found the ways out, and you can too. This can be your resource for life, faith, and career makeovers, personal finance, and investing for those who have been told it's too late. If that's you, the DoOver Show is for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like the video so YouTube knows you care. Also, ring the notifications bell so you don't miss a new video every week to help you with your do-over. And I'm so glad you found me, and I found you.